Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character "的" step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one sentence. Let's get started. This is a polyphone. It pronounced as "de", or "day" according to different context. "De", day. As "de" means to get, obtain. "的" is structural particle. Used after verb, as "day" means to have, must. Now check this sentence. What do you get? What do you get? 你得到了什么？你得到了什么？ What do you get? 你得到了什么？ Write "the" in cursive. You can write like this. "the" "the" to get, obtain. "The" structural particle. "day" to have, must. What do you get? 你得到了什么？ Please comment any sentence with "the". I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.